All right, for solving a system of equations by graphing, Algebra 1, U2, pretty simple. I think it's pretty straightforward. You're going to have two lines here, y equals x minus 7 and y equals negative 2x plus 2. And right down below your graph, you're going to have two different colors. You're going to click on one, okay, and you're going to graph that one. So this one's x minus 7. So I'm going to start at negative 7, and I'm going to go up 1 to the right 1. Now, how do I know to go up 1 to the right 1? And how do I know to start at negative 7? Well, negative 7 is right here, so that's your starting point. And then this number in front of the x is your slope. So since it's a 1, it's up 1 to the right 1. Now you click on the green line. Now this says I start at 2 because of the plus 2 right there. And then this is a negative 2, so it says go down 2, 1, 2, and to the right 1. And now they cross. And that is my solution right there. So that solution is 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, negative 4. Okay, for this one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start at 3, and then it says negative x. That means negative 1, so I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1. And there you go. Now here, y equals negative 2x. Because there is no number after the x, that means I start at 0, and then I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2 to the right 1. And they cross back here at negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and up at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is negative 3, 6. Okay, now this one right here is a little tricky. I'll talk about it. So for the green one, we're going to start at 6, and then we're going to go down 1 to the right 1. That's simple. And x equals 4. Now, that is a special type of line. Okay, that one you have to know is vertical. Okay, but it's nice because it gives you that x is 4. So I already know this point is 4. And this is 2. Well, that makes sense because negative 4 plus 6, well, that's 2. Okay, so 4, 2. Here, x is 5. Okay, I really like these problems because if x is 5, that's 5 and that's 4. But don't fool yourself by clicking submit. You have to graph the lines. So x equals 5 is a vertical line, and y equals 4 is a horizontal line. So that's the point 5, 4. Okay, so you go ahead and you can do these problems real quick, all right, once you get used to it. Okay, it doesn't take any time at all. Okay, and you see the point here crosses at negative 2 and negative 2. Okay, all right, now I'm glad this one came up. Okay, now if you've watched my videos earlier, okay, you'll know that Mr. Beatty created a method called the cover-up method, and you can use that here. If you cover up x, you're going to get negative y equals 3, meaning y equals negative 3. So I can put a point at y is negative 3. Now, if I cover up the y, I have x equals 3. So I can put a point at x equals 3. And now what I can do from here is I can simply graph this one, start at 5, go down 1 to the right 1, and that's how to do it. So the cover-up method is very useful, okay? Very, very useful. So don't forget it, okay? And if you guys have any questions, just let me know.